What if I told you there's an ETF that has consistently outperformed the S&P 500, yet most investors have never even heard of it? While millions of investors continue pouring money into traditional index funds, a lesser-known ETF has quietly been delivering stronger returns by focusing on one powerful investing factor: momentum. And in 2026, as market leadership continues to shift toward companies with strong price trends and earnings growth, this ETF is attracting more attention than ever. The ETF I'm talking about is SPMO. Today, we're going to break down what SPMO is, why it has been outperforming the S&P 500, the risks you need to know, and whether this could be one of the best growth ETFs to own in 2026. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's get started. What is SPMO? SPMO stands for the Invesco S&P 500 Momentum ETF. Unlike a traditional S&P 500 index fund that simply owns all 500 companies based on market capitalization, SPMO takes a different approach. It selects approximately 100 stocks from the S&P 500 that exhibit the strongest momentum characteristics. In simple terms, momentum investing focuses on stocks that are already performing well and have strong upward price trends. The idea is straightforward. Winning stocks often continue winning for longer than most investors expect. Rather than owning every company in the index, SPMO concentrates on the strongest performers. This creates a portfolio that can look very different from a standard S&P 500 fund. And historically, that difference has been a major advantage. Why momentum works? Momentum is one of the most studied investing factors in financial history. Researchers have examined decades of market data and repeatedly found that stocks with strong recent performance often continue outperforming over intermediate time periods. Why does this happen? Part of it comes from human behavior. Investors are slow to react to new information. When companies report strong earnings, launch successful products, or benefit from powerful industry trends, the market often takes time to fully price in those developments. Momentum strategies attempt to capture that continuing trend. SPMO systematically identifies those leaders and increases exposure to them. This removes emotion from the investing process. Instead of guessing which stocks will become tomorrow's winners, the ETF focuses on companies already demonstrating strength. How SPMO has outperformed. Now let's talk about what investors care about most. Performance. One reason SPMO has gained popularity is its impressive track record versus the S&P 500. During strong bull markets, momentum strategies often outperform because they naturally allocate more capital toward market leaders. Think about the major winners over the past several years. Companies involved in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, semiconductors, and digital transformation often became larger positions inside momentum-focused portfolios because their stock prices kept rising. Instead of holding underperforming companies simply because they're part of the index, SPMO continuously refreshes its holdings and focuses on what's working. This dynamic approach has historically allowed it to generate stronger returns than traditional market cap weighted strategies. For growth-oriented investors, that's a very attractive proposition. Why 2026 could be a big year? So why are investors increasingly looking at SPMO in 2026? Several trends are supporting momentum investing right now. First, artificial intelligence continues reshaping the global economy. Companies leading the AI revolution are generating substantial revenue growth and attracting enormous investor interest. Second, technological innovation remains concentrated among a relatively small group of market leaders. When a handful of companies dominate earnings growth, momentum strategies often benefit because they naturally overweight those leaders. Third, institutional investors are increasingly using factor-based investing. Momentum is one of the most popular factors because of its long-term historical success. As more money flows into momentum strategies, demand for top-performing stocks can remain strong. This creates a favorable environment for ETFs like SPMO. The risks you must understand. Now, before you rush out and buy SPMO, let's discuss the risks. No investment is perfect. Momentum investing can be incredibly effective during strong market trends, but it can struggle when leadership changes suddenly. For example, if investors rapidly rotate from technology stocks into defensive sectors, momentum funds may experience greater volatility. SPMO is also more concentrated than a traditional S&P 500 fund. Because it owns fewer stocks, individual holdings can have a bigger impact on overall performance. That concentration can amplify gains, but it can also amplify losses. Investors should be prepared for periods when SPMO underperforms the broader market. That's simply part of the momentum investing cycle. If you choose this ETF, you need a long-term mindset. Who should consider SPMO? SPMO may be a good fit for investors seeking higher growth potential than a traditional S&P 500 index fund. It could appeal to younger investors with long investment horizons. It may also complement a diversified portfolio. Some investors pair a core S&P 500 ETF with a momentum ETF like SPMO to potentially enhance returns while maintaining broad market exposure. However, if you're highly risk-averse or rely heavily on portfolio stability, a traditional index fund may still be the better choice. The key is matching your investments to your personal goals and risk tolerance. Is SPMO the best growth ETF for 2026? It certainly has a compelling case. It leverages one of the most proven investing factors in history. It focuses on market leaders rather than laggards, and it has consistently demonstrated an ability to outperform the broader S&P 500 over many periods. Of course, no ETF can guarantee future results. Momentum investing will experience ups and downs. But for investors seeking a rules-based strategy designed to capture the market's strongest trends, SPMO deserves serious consideration. The biggest mistake many investors make is assuming all S&P 500 related ETFs are identical. They're not. SPMO is proof that how you select stocks can dramatically impact long-term returns. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you think SPMO can continue beating the S&P 500 in 2026 and beyond? Or would you rather stick with a traditional index fund like VOO? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future ETF and investing insights. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. The opinions expressed in this video are solely for educational discussion and should not be interpreted as recommendations to buy or sell any security. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.